10.2 of the chapter circle from the question number 5. The question number 5 is prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. It means the perpendicular at the point of contact. Okay, this is a figure. P is the point of contact and PT is a tangent. O is the center. The perpendicular to the point of contact, it means angle OPT equal to 90 degree. We have to prove that OP is perpendicular on PT. We know that OP is perpendicular on the PT. Therefore, the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact, and the radius essentially passes through the center of the circle. हम जानते हैं कि जो टेंजेंट है वो हमेशा रेडियस से ही 90 डिग्री पर होता है, और रेडियस हमेशा कहाँ से पास होती है? सेंटर से. इट मीन्स द परपेंडिकुलर इज ऑलवेज पासिस थ्रू द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्किल. ओके, इफ दिस इज नॉट पासिस थ्रू द, सपोज it passes through the point O dash, it means the perpendicular, it means this is a 90 degree. The perpendicular to the point of, it means angle O dash PT equal to 90 degree given. This is given, the perpendicular to the point of contact, and we know that angle OPT equal to 90 degree. The radius is always perpendicular on the tangent. Therefore, O dash PT and OPT, both angles are equal 90 degree. Therefore, point O and O dash coincide to each other. ये दोनों पॉइंट क्या करेंगे? एक दूसरे पर कोइंसाइड करेंगे. ओनली द सेंटर O is passes through the tangent point. Tangent at the point of contact passes through the center. Only there is a single point O. None other than point. Okay. Question number 6. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center, and the circle is 4 cm. Distance is 5 cm. The length of the tangent is 4 cm. Find the radius. This is the figure of question number 6. The length of tangent is 4 cm. And distance is 5 cm. We have to find the radius. Radius is OP. So we know that OP square plus AP square equal to OA square by Pythagoras theorem. The hypotenuse square equal to the sum of the squares of radius and radius means perpendicular and base. We have to find OP square. AP square is 4 cm and OA is 5. We can prove easily 25 minus 16, then OP equal to under root 9 equal to 3 cm. Okay, next question. Question number 7. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circles. Two concentric circles means having the same center. This is the figure. Two concentric circles, one radius 3, another radius is 5. We have to find the chord length AB. Okay. A smaller circle touch, a chord of bigger circle is touches the smaller circle. छोटे circle को वो touch करता है किस point पर? P पर. हमको निकालना है PB. PB by using Pythagoras theorem. The OB square equal to OP square plus PB square. Okay, the OB square is 5 square equal to 3 square plus PB square. Easily 25 minus 9 equal to PB square. PB equal to root 16, 4 cm, and AB equal to 2 times PB. 2 into 4. 8 cm. The perpendicular line always bisect the chord. We know that we have studied in class 9. A perpendicular line chord को हमेशा क्या करती है? Bisect करती है. It means AB equal to 2 times of PB. Next, question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to a subscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. This is a figure of question number 8. ABCD is a quadrilateral. PQRS are the point of contacts. We have to prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. We know that the length of the tangents are equal from any external point. It means AP equal to AS. And again BP equal to BQ. BP equal to BQ. Next, CR equal to CQ and DR equal to DS. The tangents, length of tangents from the external point. Equation number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Adding 1, 2 and adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. AP plus BP, CR plus DR equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now arranging AP plus BP, CR plus DR and AS plus DS. Arrange AS plus DS and BQ plus CQ. AP plus BP, AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. Hence proved. Very easy question. Question number 9. In the figure 10.13, this is a figure. X by and X dash by dash. X by and X dash by dash are two parallel tangents. These are the two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. And another tangent AB. This is a tangent AB, another tangent AB with point of contact C intersecting XY at A and X dash by dash at B. Prove that angle AOB, this angle equal to 90 degree. This is a figure. XY and X dash Y dash are two parallel tangents and PQ is the diameter and AB is a tangent and whose point of contact is C. We have to prove that AOB, angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Just join OC. First part is join OC. Okay. There are two triangles, angle APO and ACO. In triangle APO and triangle ACO, we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. One angle is 90 degree. Angle APO equal to angle ACO 90 degree. And OP equal to OC radii. Okay. And third one is OA equal to OA common. Therefore, triangle APO congruent to triangle ACO by RHS. Right angle hypotenuse sides congruence criteria. Number 1 angle 90-90. These are the two radius and this is common. Therefore, angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Similarly, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Similarly, angle 3 equal to angle 4. Next, if XY and X dash by dash are parallel tangents, it means angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. The sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Angle A equal to angle 1 plus angle 2, and angle B is angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. It means we can say that angle 2 plus angle 3 2 times. Angle 1 equal to 2, 3 equal to 4, therefore 2 times angle 2 plus 2 times angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 90 degree. It means in the figure angle 2 plus 3 equal to 90 degree. In triangle AOB, angle AOB plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. And angle AOB, angle 2 plus angle 3 is 90 degree. Therefore, angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Proved. Next question. Question number 10. Prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the point of the contact at the center. Okay. This is a figure. P is a point. The two tangents drawn P and PB. The O is the center. We have to prove that the angle O plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Angle O and P are supplementary. Okay. O is perpendicular on AP. Therefore, angle OAP equal to 90 degree. And OB perpendicular on PB. Angle OPB equal to 90 degree. In quadrilateral, OAPB के quadrilateral. Therefore, the sum of angle O plus A plus B plus angle P. The sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. A and B is 90. Therefore, O plus P, it means angle O means AOB. Angle A 90 degree, B 90 degree plus angle APB equal to 360 degree. 180 minus angle AOB plus angle APB equal to 180 degree. Therefore, these two angles are supplementary. AOB and APB equal to 180 degree. These angles are supplementary. Question number 11. Prove that the parallelogram subscribing a circle is a rhombus. A parallelogram subscribing a circle is a rhombus. We have to prove that the ABCD is a rhombus. Given that ABCD is a parallelogram. First, in question number 8, we have to prove AB plus CD equal to BC plus AD. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में हम लोग ये प्रूव किए थे AB प्लस सी डी इक्वल टू बी सी प्लस ए डी. सेम क्वेश्चन, वी नो दैट द ए बी सी डी इज ए पैरेललोग्राम. इट मीन्स ए बी इक्वल टू सी डी. तो वी कैन राइट 2 times AB equal to 2 times BC because the opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. Therefore, AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. If AB equal to CD and BC, AB equal to BC, BC equal to AD, it means all the 4 sides are equal. चारों साइड इक्वल है. इट मीन्स ये क्या बनेगा? rhombus. AB equal to BC, but AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Therefore, ABCD is a rhombus. All the 4 sides are equal. It means ABCD is a rhombus. Question number 12. Question number 12 is an important question. A triangle ABC is drawn to subscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by a point of contact D. Here is the figure. BC is divided by a point of contact D are of length 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Find the side AB and AC. These two sides we have to find, AB and AC. This is a figure given. ABC is a triangle, D is a point of contact. Next we have to write a point E. This is also a point of contact of side AB, and this is F. The 4 centimeter is the radius. This is circle center, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. CD equal to CF. We know that the distance from the external point is always equal. CD equal to CF. It means CF equal to 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Similarly, this 8 centimeter. And AF, let X, then AE is also X. AE equal to AF. Join OA, OB and OC. OA, OB and OC. We have to find the X. Area of triangle ABC equal to the area of triangle AOB, area of triangle BOC and AOC. Sum of these three triangles equal to the area of triangle ABC. The area of triangle BOC equal to 1 by 2 base into height. The base BC equal to 8 plus 6 BC into OD. BC is 8 6 14 into 4. Cancel. Area is BOC is 28 centimeter square. Next, area of triangle AOB. Area of triangle AOB. 1 by 2 AB into OE. AB into OE. AB is 8 plus x. AB is equal to 8 plus x into 4. 8 plus x into 4. By cancel this, 2 times x plus 8. Third, area of triangle AOC. Area of triangle AOC. 1 by 2 AC into OF. 1 by 2 x plus 6 into 4. It means 2 times x plus 6. Okay. Area of triangle ABC. See. Let AB equal to 8 plus x, BC equal to 14 and AC equal to 6 plus x. This is a scalene triangle. Okay. The formula of scalene triangle is area of scalene triangle by using Heron's formula. S is equal to 14 plus 8 plus x plus 6 plus x by 2. Heron's formula use करेंगे by 2, तो this will be, we will get x plus 14. And area of triangle ABC, the formula, Heron's formula x, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. S is x plus 14 and x plus 14 minus a, suppose first x 8 plus x minus 8 minus x, x plus 14 minus 14 and x plus 14 minus x minus 6. Okay. Now x plus 14, x cancel, only 6, 14 cancel x, and x 14 minus 6 is 8. It means under root 48 x plus 14. This area of triangle ABC is the sum of these three triangles. Now under root 48x x plus 14 equal to sum of these three angles. First is 28, 2 times x plus 8, 2 times x plus 6. 28 plus 28 plus 16 and 28 plus 12. Adding this, 56 plus 4x. Taking 4 common, x plus 14. Now, squaring both sides. 48x into x plus 14. Okay, squaring both sides. Here, squaring means 4 into 4 and x plus 14 into x plus 14. Now, simplify this, cancel. 4 4 just 16, 3 just 48. Here we get 3x and x plus 14. Now solving, 3x equal to x plus 14, it means 2x equal to 14, x equal to 7 centimeter. Now AB equal to 8 plus x, it means 8 plus 7, 15 centimeter. And AC 6 plus x, it means 6 plus 7, 13 centimeter. This is the answer of these two sides. Lengthy question but very important question. Last question. Prove that the opposite sides of a quadrilateral subscribing a circle subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. Opposite sides of a quadrilaterals. This is a figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral. The circle is subscribing subtend supplementary angles at the center of the circle. It means angle BOC plus angle AOD. The sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree. To prove opposite sides of quadrilateral, it means angle BOC plus angle AOD equal to 180 degree. Now, this is the point of contact. Join P, Q, R and S. Now, this angle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 angles. We know that angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay. These two angles are always equal. And again, angle 4 equal to angle 3. And angle 5 equal to angle 6. And angle 7, angle 5 equal to angle 6. Angle 8 equal to angle 7. Okay. The sum of all angles, angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. सारे एंगल का सम क्या होता है? This is the central angle. Complete angle is 360 degree. Sum of all the angles is 360 degree. Now we can write angle 1 equal to angle 2. So, angle BOC plus AOD. So we can write only 1 plus angle 1. 1 plus 2 means 2 times angle 1. 3 plus 4, 2 times angle. 3 plus 4 angle 4. 2 times angle 4. 5 and 6, 2 times angle 5. And 2 times angle 8 equal to 360 degree. 2 times angle 8. Taking 2 common. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 8. Equal to 360 degree. 360 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 4 and angle 5 plus angle 8. Sorry, angle 1 plus angle 8 and angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Now angle 1 plus 8 is AOD. AOD. And angle BOC equal to 180 degree. Proved. Angle AOD plus BOC equal to 180 degree. The angle formed by the opposite sides of a quadrilateral. Okay, the exercise is finished now. You can solve.